Hello, lovely viewers. We're here in LAX, and we're gonna board the airplane soon to go to JFK, and we're making our way. This is our first day, and it's not even a day. We've been here for approximately less than an hour, so we'll keep you updated. All right, peace. Mom, you were right. I should have worn my coat. I got cold. We've met up with our group at JFK, and we're gonna hit the road. Why are you saying hit the road? We're gonna hit the air.
El avión. I know Spanish.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say something in Hebrew.
I don't know Hebrew.
Shalom, y'all. We are officially in Israel. Woo! We just got here. We're at the airport right now, Ben Gurion in Tel Aviv. And then we're gonna bus to Kibbutz Suvah right now. We've met some people though.
We have a YouTube channel. Subscribe.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, wait, hang on. Ready? One moment. Hang on. Okay.
Oh my god.
On our bus so far. There's gonna be more.
Wow.
Can we get rich?
Hi.
Okay. We're in our hotel room. Not a hotel. I mean,
It's
kind
like
of
a
hotel.
dorm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Leon and I ended up being roommates just by random, so that's fun. And then
Wow, alright.
no, I love being Leon's roommate. We just didn't think we'd end up with each other.
Yeah, but it's kind of
Yeah.
nice. She can pick out my outfits for me.
Yeah, I'm stylish.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so basically we're here. We're gonna head off to dinner soon. Yeah, we just finished like unpacking and stuff. We're just both tired. It's been a long couple of days.
It has been a long
And yeah, that's all I have to say right now.
Yeah.
How about you?
The kibbutz is really nice. It's really pretty.
Yeah, it
as far
started
as I can
hailing.
see. Yeah, we had to get these drawer things, these cubbies for our room so that we can put some stuff away.
Yeah.
We had to walk outside and like down this little hill, and it started hailing as we were walking, and so we had to hide out in this little metal shed for a few minutes, and it was
Yeah, it's been
quite
very
intense.
like it will just start pouring and then it just stops.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. I like did not expect that, but
Me neither, but it's fine.
now we have our rain jackets on. We're prepared now.
Right?
And we'll check back in. Our room isn't quite done yet, so we're gonna hang some stuff up and finish unpacking and all that. And we'll see you back with maybe a room tour.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye.
Hello. It's nighttime, finally. It's Monday, and we are officially settled. Have like all of our things unpacked, and tomorrow is orientation. All right, so we're gonna head to bed like right now because it's late and we are tired. But stay tuned. We're gonna do a quick little room tour.
Just our room.
Just our room. There's a front room and a back room, and we're in the front room, so we'll show you like our little space here. And the people in the back room are already sleeping. You know, props to them. I want to be them.
Yeah.
Okay.
To be fair, we had the later showers.
This is true.
Just kidding, we weren't in the room.
Yeah. It's fine. Okay. This is my guitar, and it's in this spot because it didn't have another spot. It's also in front of the fridge that has our Hydro flasks in it. Wow. This is Amanda's bed. She has these like string lights with a bunch of pictures of different people. Here, I'll go closer so you can spot yourself if you're in them. Wow. Quick little pan. Comment if you spot yourself. Okay.
Same people and all of them.
And now, this is a painting that we did not put in our room.
I didn't notice it was there until he said something.
Wow. Revelation. You were.
You like it?
Okay, this is my bed.
I feel weird too.
And these are my little pictures. I didn't have as many clips, but see if you can spot yourself. Ooh. This is a cute little thing Devin gave me. Okay. My favorite picture of my dog. All right. That's pretty much our room. Before me and Amanda were connected, and that was no bueno.
We didn't want to be connected.
Yeah. Low tove.
Wait.
Not good.
Low? Okay. It like took a second. I know what each word meant separately, and I had to connect it. Thank you.
Solid. Okay. And then over there's the bathroom. And that's about it. All right. That's all for our first vlog, our travel vlog. Love and peace. Shalom, Haverim.